Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd. Where creativity meets professionalism. Are you looking for a eye-catchy, high-quality design that make your brand stand out? Whether it's a business card, logo, social media post, or any custom design, we bring your vision to life fast and flawlessly. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a stunning business card that leaves a lasting impression. If you need a custom design tailored to your brand, feel free to reach out. Let's create something special together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative design and connect us for custom design solution. After create a page for a business card, go to the element and let's search for a shape. Let's take this hexagon shape, make it bigger and adjust it all over the page on the right side. And then let's take this rectangle shape. Make the rectangle shape behind the previous shape, and now let's change the color of both of these. Then go to the element and search for a rectangle shape like this. Delete this and let's take this shape and make it a copy and adjust it in two copies like this. Change the color in orange. Then go to the element and search for a logo. Let's take this logo, keep it as it is, and now take a text box, type the company name. Change the font style of the text box. Adjust the logo and the text together and take another text box, place it under the previous text box and make it smaller and type the subtitle or a slogan. Adjust the text box and logo in center alignment. Now take another text box and place it over the rectangle shape and type the web address. Change the font color in white and make it a letter spacing. Change the color, the shape in light blue and this in white. And now press Alt and copy the shapes for the back page. From the shape and take this shape and now adjust it like the previous page. Take this shape and the text box together, paste it on the back page and take a text box and type the name of the employee. Take a small text box and type the designation. From the element, let's take this line and keep the line weight in 1 and change the color in orange. Place the logo and the company name on the back page and change the color in white. And now go to the element and search for a phone icon, location icon, and not your wave email icon. Adjust the icons together. Take a text box and type the phone number, email number, and the location. Change the color of the icon in orange. Change the shade little bit in lighter. Make sure all of them in middle alignment. Go to the element and search a QR code. Take this QR code and the rectangle shape. Adjust the rectangle shape and then adjust the QR code over it. Give a border in the rectangle shape in orange. It's almost done. Let's adjust all of this. Here it is, a business card for a company. If you need this kind of business cards or any other design like logo design, brochure design, flyer design, presentation, pitch decks, or magazine design, you can contact with us. Our contact details is attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.